In this video, I'm going to show you how to secure your WordPress site by showing you a couple of ways to secure your wp-config.php file. One way we're going to do that is by moving it from where it is to where the bad guys can't find it. Now, since there are arguments on both sides of the fence that doing this will secure your site or doing this will not secure your site, I'm also going to show you another way to secure your config file by adding some code to your .htaccess file. So let's go ahead and get started, but before we do, I want to give you a little public service announcement. First, before you do any playing around with code or messing with moving files, you want to make sure that you have a current full backup. That's a backup of both your files and your database. So before you do anything, get your full backup done. Secondly, the moving of the wp-config.php file will not work at all. Matter of fact, it will break your site if your WordPress site is installed on a subdomain or if it's a multi-site setup. So that's another reason why I want to show you another way of securing your config file by adding code to your .htaccess file, just in case your WordPress site is installed on a subdirectory or is a multi-site setup. Because again, if it is a subdirectory or it's a multi-site setup, do not do the moving of the config file. That will not only not work, it will break your site. Okay, that said, let's get to work. I'm going to be doing this within my cPanel control panel. You can do pretty much the same thing if you are using something like FileZilla or an FTP client. But for me, it's just a lot easier to do it within File Manager of my cPanel control panel. So I've already logged into cPanel. Click on File Manager. And here is the wp-config.php file. Now we're not talking about the one that has